One of my favorite quotes from the magnificent Mr. Rogers goes like this: "Play gives children a chance to practice what they are learning."
And for the last 30 years, the Children's Discovery Museum of the Desert has been a special place for children and their families to put that practice to the test.
With over 80 hands-on exhibits spread across 3 separate galleries, the Children's Discovery Museum of the Desert aims to inspire curiosity and self-expression for children of all ages.
But don't just take my word for it. My pal Emmy is here to help show us just how incredible this place really is.
Come on, Amy, let's go!
The Annenberg Gallery houses the largest play space here at the museum.
Filled with fun exhibits that are sure to inspire the curiosity of your little ones, there's so much to explore. Who could possibly ask for more?
I could.
Well, you're in luck because the fun doesn't stop here.
The museum's second gallery, the Dinosaur Center, is centered around discovery, ingenuity, and science.
Here you can build your own race car, explore wind, the body, and so much more.
This is awesome!
Every few months, the museum features a traveling exhibit in their third gallery. Each exhibit encourages creativity and self-expression through inventive and interactive play for young children.
Last but most certainly not least, this museum would not be complete without beautiful outdoor exhibits that give you a chance to soak in the sun while having some fun.
From racing on the Rancho Mirage Trike Track to exploring the Discovery Garden and even putting your musical talents to the test.
This outdoor play space is a cut above the rest.
I'm racing to the finish line.
Okay.
The Children's Discovery Museum of the Desert values learning, family, and community above all else.
The best part? It's a whole lot of fun. So while you plan your next visit, you leave the chasing to me.
She'll leave the chilling to you.